To make chicken lasagna, we'll first start by making the meat sauce. To 3 tablespoons oil, add garlic paste and cook that. Now add 1 chopped onion and saute it. Add minced chicken. I took 0.4 kgs roughly, and cook it on medium-high till it changes its color. It will become white once it's cooked. To that, add chili garlic sauce, 4 tablespoons. You can also add plain ketchup or mix and match, whatever suits your taste buds. Now add tomato puree. I made this puree by using 7 tomatoes. Add 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1.5 teaspoons black pepper, and 1 teaspoon oregano powder. You can even use oregano leaves. Half teaspoon I use chili powder. Cook it till it becomes half of its original quantity and dries up. Next, boil water for lasagna strips and boil them. Now moving on to white sauce. Take 3 tablespoons oil and add 3 tablespoons flour in it. Cook them till it changes its color. To that, add 2.5 cups of milk gradually and off the flame. Stir it well so that the sauce is smooth. As you can see, the salt is beginning to thicken, but it's not quite there yet. Add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, and mix it. As you can see, the sauce is thickening up now. To this, add 2 tablespoons shredded cheese. I used pizza mozzarella cheese. The sauce is ready now. Time to assemble lasagna. Lightly oil the dish. Add your first layer of white sauce. Over that, the lasagna strips. Over that, meat sauce. Over that, white sauce. Over that, cheese. And then repeat it with the layers. Then the meat sauce, then white sauce, and then grated cheese. Then again the layers, and so on. At the top, I add most of my cheese and garnish it with capsicums. Wrap the dish with plastic wrap or cling film and cook the lasagna for 10 minutes at high with this film, and another 8 to 10 minutes without the film. Easy lasagna is ready. Enjoy. Do like the video and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching.